With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So here we have the question which says the diagonals of rhombus are 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So diagonals of rhombus are given. So we need to calculate its area and perimeter. Okay. So here we know that area of rhombus is what? Diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 upon 2, and perimeter of rhombus is 4 into side of rhombus. Okay, so let's make the rhombus. So here we have the rhombus. Okay, like this. Okay, so in this question it is given that it has diagonal of 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So let's make the diagonals of this rhombus. This will be like this. Okay, one diagonal will be this, and second diagonal will be this. Okay, so we got the diagonals of rhombus, and it is given that one diagonal is 24 centimeter. So diagonal, this diagonal is whole 24 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeter. Okay, so first of all, let's find the area of the rhombus, because it's easy to find, because diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 upon 2. So we have area of rhombus, which is equals to diagonal 1 24 into 10 upon 2, and here the units are in centimeter. So here it will be 240 upon 2 centimeter square, and this will be 120. So we have area of rhombus which is equals to 120 centimeter square. Now what we will do, let's name our rhombus. Suppose it is as A, B, C, D, and here the origin. Okay, so we know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. So this means, so this hole is 24 centimeter, B to D is 24 centimeter. So OD will be half of 24 centimeter, because 24 centimeter divided by 2, because diagonals of rhombus bisect each other, that I have already said. So this will be, this part will be 24 divided by 2 will be 12 centimeter. Okay, this will be 12 centimeter, and here we have AC, which is also a diagonal, and it's also so diagonals, both diagonals bisect each other. So this will be, so this area will be 10 divided by 2, 5 centimeter. Okay, so using this we will find the side of the rhombus. Suppose it's DC. So in this triangle, and here bisect each other at 90 degree, we know. So what we will do, we will apply Pythagoras theorem in this DOC triangle. Okay, so in triangle DOC, applying Pythagoras theorem, we will get, we know Pythagoras theorem says perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. So here perpendicular square is OD square plus base square, which is 5. So OD square plus base square, and here base is OC square, plus hypotenuse square is equals to hypotenuse square. Here hypotenuse is DC, so it will be DC square. So here OD is, that we have found, 12 centimeter and OC is 5 centimeter. So 12 square plus 5 square will be equals to DC square. Okay, so 12 into 12 is 144 and 5 into 5 is 25, and here we have DC square upon here we will get this will be 169 equals to DC square. Okay, so DC will be under root of 169. Taking this square to this side, we will get square root of 169, and square root of 169 is 13. So we get side of the rhombus as 13 centimeter. Okay, so now we need to find the perimeter of rhombus. So perimeter of rhombus will be 4 into side of rhombus. So here we have 4 and side of rhombus is 13 centimeter. So 4 into 13 is 52. Okay, so we got perimeter of rhombus which is 52 centimeter and area of rhombus which is that we have found 120 centimeter square. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.